Welcome back to our channel. Today we will be discussing the 7 importance of soil structure to rice farmers. Soil structure affects water infiltration and retention in rice fields. A well-structured soil allows roots to penetrate easily, improving nutrient uptake. Good soil structure prevents soil compaction, ensuring better aeration for root development. Proper soil structure helps in reducing the risk of water stagnation in rice paddies. It also promotes beneficial microbial activity in the soil, aiding in nutrient cycling. Well-structured soil enhances the overall soil fertility, leading to healthier rice crops. Maintaining soil structure can improve soil tilth, promoting better soil aggregation and stability. Proper soil structure helps in reducing erosion, preserving rice fields for future generations. It also plays a crucial role in the efficiency of water and nutrient use by rice plants. Soil structure affects the overall productivity and sustainability of rice farming practices. Farmers can assess soil structure by observing soil aggregates, roots distribution, and water infiltration rates. Compacted soils hinder root growth and reduce rice plant productivity. Healthy soil structure supports diverse soil organisms, contributing to soil health and fertility. Rice farmers can improve soil structure through proper crop rotation and cover cropping practices. Implementing conservation tillage techniques can also help in maintaining soil structure integrity. Soil compaction can be mitigated by reducing heavy machinery use in rice fields. Adding organic matter to the soil can improve soil structure and fertility. Controlling water management practices is crucial in preserving soil structure in rice fields. Farmers should be mindful of the impact of pesticides and chemicals on soil structure. Sustainable soil management practices are essential in enhancing soil structure for long-term rice production. In conclusion, soil structure is a critical factor in the success of rice farming operations. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more informative content on agriculture and farming.